Studying podiatry at Brighton, you get job satisfaction while being a student. You're actively helping patients all the time.
For podiatry specific facility, we have our internal clinic that a student will be doing placement on as well on site. We also have a simulation suite that is, we have access to 2 simulation suites. So one of them is a podiatry specific simulation suite that students can practice their skills, learn from using the model. Student will also be using the share simulation facility of the School of Sport and Health Sciences, where we do more like scenario-based situation. We also have orthotic laboratory where our student can go in and then learn how to make orthotic from scratch. We have the anatomage table, which is the kind of like this really impressive big table, human size, that you can see through different layers of the human body.
My favourite learning facility would have to be clinic time. The clinic facilities are amazing. So we go on to placement at clinic facilities, and that's where we do a lot of our practical learning. So you step in and you see a patient, and you will always have someone supervising you. It's quite daunting at first, but you get used to it really fast, which is why I think it's so good to have half academic learning and in-classroom learning and half practical. The staff are amazing, incredible. They're so supportive. They know absolutely everything you could possibly want to ask. They always have an answer. And in the rare occasion where you don't quite get everything you want, they are always willing to go away, ask other professionals and come back to you. So it's a really supportive network of people.